has always been about innovation, and now more than ever, science and technology are driving that innovation forward. In this video, we'll explore how science and technology are changing the way we approach beauty. Innovative skincare ingredients. From peptides to retinoids, there are countless innovative skincare ingredients that are transforming the way we care for our skin. These ingredients can help reduce fine lines, improve skin texture, and even out skin tone. Visuals, examples of innovative skincare ingredients and the effects they have on skin. 3D printed makeup. 3D printing has revolutionized many industries, and now it's transforming the way we approach makeup. With 3D printed makeup, you can create custom shades and textures that are tailored to your individual needs. Visuals, examples of 3D printed makeup in action, showing how custom shades and textures can be created. Segment 3, Virtual Beauty Consultations. Voiceover. With virtual beauty consultations, you can get personalized advice and recommendations from experts without ever leaving your home. By using video conferencing and other tools, these consultations can be just as effective as in-person ones. Visuals, examples of virtual beauty consultations, showing how they work and the types of advice and recommendations they provide. Thanks to science and technology, the beauty industry is more innovative and personalized than ever before. By embracing these technologies, we can achieve our beauty goals and feel our best selves. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest beauty and technology trends. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the science of beauty.